Um, Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Shubham. This is probably the most distinguished audience I've ever spoken in front of, so pardon me if I make any mistakes. Uh, I'm the Chief Commercial Officer of Skytree, which is basically responsible for corporate partnerships and fundraising. We're based out of Amsterdam, so we've come a long way to be here. So what does Skytree do? Skytree is essentially responsible for putting miles on your car. We make cars more energy efficient while improving the quality of indoor air and increasing the passenger comfort level. How do we do this? So currently, your car companies recirculate air from outside to indoor environment to flush out the carbon dioxide that's built up by passengers exhaling in closed spaces such as car cabins. What that does is, by the constant exchange of outside air with the indoor air environment, the ventilation systems expend a lot of energy, thus making the cars energy inefficient. Especially in the case of EVs, where you don't have any waste heat, all that energy comes from the battery, where a study done last year showed that below 0 degree Fahrenheit, electric cars lost 35% of the range due to the cold weather. Also, what it does is that in heavy urban congested areas, the constant air exchange leads to outside pollution coming into the indoor air environment. Imagine particulate matter, imagine viruses, sulfur oxides, nitrous oxides, you name it. So what's the current solution? Currently, car companies recirculate this air. By recirculating this air, they stop the ingress of outside pollution while making their cars more energy efficient. However, this leads to the buildup of the carbon dioxide. Studies have shown that extended levels of carbon dioxide exposure can lead to a decrease in cognitive abilities, people breathing heavily, people yawning, your reaction times getting slower. So what do we propose? We propose that by utilizing a patented CO2 extraction technology, which was developed by the European Space Agency, we extract the carbon dioxide that's built up inside car cabins. Using this, we can enable recirculation of the same indoor air, which would lower the load on your ventilation system, leading to increased energy savings. At the same time, due to decreased carbon dioxide levels and lower outside pollution coming into the indoor air environment, you improve the comfort, convenience, and health of the passengers. So what does our product look like? So as I mentioned, we're a spin-out from the European Space Agency. This technology is being used aboard the ISS because unfortunately, astronauts don't have the option of opening up their windows. On your left, you can see the prototype. So we made it modular so that we can modify it and customize it for each car cabin and each vehicle manufacturer. We have a proprietary sorbent that extracts carbon dioxide and water at ambient temperature and pressure conditions. So imagine low concentrations, very energy efficient, low cost, low sizing. It's capable of absorbing about enough CO2 for 4 passengers in a vehicle. And it additionally removes small quantities of nitrous and sulfur oxides. So this is the main table that excites a lot of the car companies. As you can see, at extreme high or low temperatures, our technology is more useful because the ventilation system expends a lot of energy. At the worst case of ambient temperature, we lead to an increased range of 3%, which goes up to about 20% at really low temperatures. So we've been funded by Jaguar Land Rover for the last 18 months. So they are a preferred automotive partner, and we should be in the back of a vehicle next year. Recently, we had an exclusivity period that expired with them, and we've started working with the US OEM as well as an Asian OEM. Our business model involves licensing out our technology, so we've started working with air filtration companies and tier 1 suppliers as well. We won the BMW Startup Garage, have been part of Plug and Play, and won the Environment Sustainability Prize at the Paris event in October of last year. And with that, I think I've run out of time. Just if I have like 15 seconds. Max used to work at this technology at the European Space Agency before he got a grant from them to spin out this company. Ian was a former project manager at Jaguar Land Rover, while I have previously been an investment banker and exited my own rooftop solar company. And with that, I'd like to end my presentation. Thank you so much.
Thank you.